This is an Akorn Junior grill made by Char-Griller. The first one I got it for free. It had problems with it. The insulation gets ate up and the smoke comes out around these sides. The seal gets ate up. That one I sold for 50 bucks. This one I got for 50 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. It was only used 6 times. It was garage kept. It seems to work real good, but I don't know what's wrong with it. I can't keep the temperature up or down. Like I was just cooking chicken breast and it wouldn't go above 275. And now it's all the way up at 500. It's crazy. When I needed to heat it, didn't want to put it out. It's right at 450. Right now it's at 450. There's nothing in it. When I needed it to cook, it didn't want to come up that high. I guess 275 is okay to cook chicken. I almost cooked it a little bit long. See how that is leaking around the side? That's what the other one did. There's a gasket in there. And this locks down like this. It locks down so it can't leak out the side. I like the grill, but I gotta learn how to use it. I never put charcoal in it till this weekend. I never liked the smell of charcoal. It's poison. You can't cook with it in the house. Why would you want to cook with it outside and have that in your meat? I've been running this off of wood. Regular wood. I'll get those ashes out of the campfire and put them in there and get a couple pieces of wood going, a little small wood. And I've been doing that, but it gets up too high. The wood gets up to 600 degrees. It's really crazy. This grill is made in USA. They make a bigger one too. This one's the Junior. I don't know what they call the other one. It's twice as big though. I got a real good deal for 50 bucks. They sell it at Home Depot and Lowe's for $159.99. So about 160 bucks. Yeah, I think I got a deal. I just gotta learn how to work it. You move this back and forth, that lever. And I don't know, that's all the way open. That's almost closed. And then you adjust this top. It didn't come with no instructions or no manual, so I don't know how to work it. I guess I gotta get online and see. Maybe there's some YouTube videos about it, telling how it works. I like that it's made in USA and not China. I'm filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. Sony calls it a handy cam.